First of all, let's get to know the animal that often makes the sound kukuruyuk in the morning and provides eggs for us. Who knows? Exactly, that's a chicken. Chickens are domestic animals that provide eggs for us to eat. The uniqueness of chickens lies in the various types and colors of their feathers. Next, let's get to know the aquatic animal that swims in ponds and has a distinctive sound. Who knows? Certainly, that's a duck. Ducks are domestic animals that we often find in ponds. The uniqueness of ducks lies in their ability to swim and their distinctive quack quack sound. Now, let's get to know the animal that provides milk and is known for having a gentle face. Who knows? Exactly, that's a cow. Cows are domestic animals that provide us with milk. The uniqueness of cows lies in the gentleness of their faces and the various types of cows. Come on, let's get to know the animal with thick fur that often gathers in the meadow. Who knows? Certainly, that's a sheep. Sheep are domestic animals that we often find in meadows. The uniqueness of sheep lies in their thick wool and their ability to gather in groups. Let's get to know the animal that is often a loyal companion to humans, can be ridden or used for work. Who knows? Exactly, that's a horse. Horses are domestic animals that often become human companions in various activities. The uniqueness of horses lies in their strength and obedience. Now, let's get to know the animal with long ears that is often kept as a pet. Who knows? Certainly, that's a rabbit. Rabbits are domestic animals that we often keep as pets. The uniqueness of rabbits lies in their long ears and their softness. Finally, let's get to know the animal that is often associated with farming activities and has many benefits. Who knows? Exactly, that's a pig. Pigs are domestic animals that are often raised for their meat. The uniqueness of pigs lies in their chubby bodies and the absence of a neck.